Can you connect the dots for us as to how being neurodivergent might impact the development of executive function skills? So, since this conference is all about executive function, how can we connect the two?
Well, if you have a child that has a hard time keeping attention, if you have a child that has a hard time focusing, if you have a child that is impulsive, I mean, first of all, seeing the signs, and then the first way to help the child is to understand what's going on inside of us. So one of the things that I do is I have teachers always, when they see something happening in the classroom, ask themselves 3 questions. And the first question is, can I still teach? Because if there's a kid, if everybody's sitting crisscross applesauce on the rug, but one of the kids rolls over, one of the kids has to rock back and forth, has to click something, fidget spin or whatever it is. If it's, let's say, a teacher that knows how that kid is, it's fine. But if it's a teacher that comes in, maybe she's subbing from the infant toddler room, and her brain, which is the problem, her brain tells her, well, that child shouldn't be doing this and doing that, which unfortunately we've been taught to believe that when our brain says something, we're supposed to A, believe it, and B, react to it. So you look at that kid and he's doing whatever he's doing and you go, can I still teach? I can still teach. Question number 2, can he still learn? And he can. He's probably able to learn more because he's rocking back and forth. Like, I can't work on the computer or I can't do something like the dishes unless I have music and video and stuff in the background and a candle lit, so all my senses are able to hone in on something. And then question number 3 is, what do you want me, question number 3 is, can everybody else still learn? And a lot of times what I've noticed is that teachers end up disrupting their own classroom because of an expectation of what they have on this certain child, instead of just going, well, I can still teach, he can still learn, and everybody else can still learn, and then we keep on going. So it's understanding and having empathy, because if you're a person that is neurodivergent, you connect with them. If you're a person that has that, well, they should be a different way, or it's going to be harder for me to work with them, that's going to be the challenge of yourself. Understand, because we have our same thing, impulse control. And if you feel like you lose your impulse because you get triggered by something, you can refocus that and also model it for the kids.